Okay, I'm going to be doing a few demonstrations with polarizing filters um, and some prisms. Uh, these are some that I did in class, but I didn't have the uh, camera going at the time, so that's what we're going to be doing. And this is a light source, and let's see if I. Oh, there it is. There. And this let me take it out of this. Well, I'll leave it in the holder. Um, when I align the filter in the same orientation as the first filter, you can see that it goes right through. But as I rotate it, you can see it disappears. Well, let me take it out of the holder. I think it'll be better. Here's there's the filter, and if I rotate it, you can see the image. It's blocked. Let's turn it around again where you can see it. And there, it's blocked, and there it goes through. Okay, those are filters. Now, let's put, I don't know what it'll look like. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's pretty cool, actually. This is just a 13,500 lines per inch double axis diffraction grating. I don't, uh, it doesn't show it very well, but it kind of splits the. I wonder what it looks like. That doesn't look very well. Let me turn it around and see if I can show it on. Oh, stay put. Let me turn off the lights and see how it looks. Okay, that's basics up a bit. Oh, it's not that spectacular. There used to be little uh, when my kids were growing up. There was a box of cereal. I think it was the Cinnamon Toast Crunch or something like that, and it had a 3D image. Uh, and you could order some glasses. I don't remember it coming with glasses. Maybe it did, and it would show it in 3D, and it used diffraction gratings for it. That this isn't very spectacular. It doesn't come out very well. Uh, now let's move on to prisms. Uh, let me put the paper back, and I think it'll work better if I leave the lights off. Uh, where here's the let's if I get it just right. Yeah, it's looking like let's turn it. there. Oh, I think you can see it on the screen over here on this side. You can see it's breaking up into the rainbow colors. It's not very clear, but you can see there is separation. And then there's also let's make this. Let's see what happens if that just redirects the colors coming off. You can see the colors coming. Let me do the round. This one is neat because it reverses. You can see the colors coming, red, green, blue, and then it reverses them. Blue, green, red, red, green, blue, blue, green, red, and it works the same if I do it this way. So anyway, those are just some little demonstrations using some of the optical toys that we have here in the lab. Okay. I'll end it. Ooh, spooky.